let's talk about ReactJS. If you want to learn ReactJS, then go to description and click on course link. It's my new course. It is available for rupees 999 and it's available everywhere. I'm just kidding. I don't have any course, not yet at least. I just want to talk about ReactJS. Hey there everyone, my name is Manjunath, and as title says, let's talk about ReactJS today. Whenever you feel like learning any kind of JavaScript or JavaScript related framework, then probably you came into this particular field because you want to build multi-platform application. Using JavaScript, you can build mobile apps, you can build web apps, you can build server-side applications. Oh boy, pretty much everything nowadays can be done using JavaScript. So that's not this video is about. This video is specifically about ReactJS. Before talking about ReactJS, let's go back into time when I was building some PHP application. With PHP, I had to build front end as well as logic as well as some database related stuff, everything on one single page. And as progressed using that particular technology, I started to split up parts. That is, I used to try to make API different, and I used to make logic in different file, and some HTML codes were in some other file. But maintaining all those things became pretty much challenging. And that time another concept was, whenever we transition between one page to another page, or whenever we click like button, that time like count has to be increased. That time it was very tough to use JavaScript and actually update something in front end. So the only option which was feasible at that time was using Angular. There was ReactJS, but I chose to use Angular because it was one of the popular framework back then. It was in Angular 2 or 3 or 4 some version. Soon after learning that particular thing, I got fascinated with building apps using single page apps using this front end framework. It was very easy to set them up and I was able to get started with it quickly. And soon after that, I understood even not just website, but mobile apps also can be built using this particular technology. That time actually I started using Ionic, which is based on Angular. But once I stopped using Angular and started moving to React, I understood there is something called as React Native, using which we can even build a mobile application. Just it will be similar to using web version of React, but there are some changes in it. Those are like quickly learned, and I was able to quickly get started with the even React Native. So if you want to build website as well as mobile application, React is one of the best framework which you can choose to learn. So learning React is not that much difficult. You can search online how to learn React, and there are so many videos. I'll link some of the videos which I recommend you to watch. And also you can take some course using Udemy or React. Pretty much learning React is very easy nowadays, and you might find it hard when you are learning, but actually you will get used to it once you are like familiar with the basics, and you have to start building project using React. At least understand how does front-end framework works. You might use some other framework in your company wherever you are joining, but learning React gives you basics of like how does actually front-end framework works. And there are so many other options also, Vue.js, Svelte, and so many others. But learning React is going to help you to get job easily, and you can even try for some other job after you understand how does React works. So that's it for this particular video, guys, and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.